It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition for Monday, the 9th of January. I'm James Spann. Hey, a warming trend. Headlines are forecast. No snow or ice issues for the state anytime soon, but it's still pretty cold this morning. Check it out. Look at the subtropical jet stream slamming into Southern California. They've had some major flooding issues over the northern half of the state over the weekend. But around here, it's a northwest flow aloft, and the trough that brought this brutally cold air shifting on to the east. Not as cold as yesterday morning. Tuscaloosa, the cold spot at 19. Most other locations are in the 20s. And hey, we at the 40s today. And beyond that, a good chance we'll see 60 in many spots tomorrow. This is Alabama. Doesn't get cold and stay cold here. Never has, never will. Around the nation, still very cold, but again, the air mass beginning to modify. And the whole eastern third of the country will be warming up nicely in coming days. Here's a watch warning map. A lot of flooding issues for California. Winter storm warnings for some of the mountains out west, and things fairly quiet for the eastern states. And as a ridge begins to build across the southeast, you know what that's going to do? It's going to mean warmer days and push the main rain west and north of the state, from Texas up toward the Ohio River. The bullseye around Dallas-Fort Worth up toward Cincinnati and Evansville. In Alabama, really not much rain at all for the next 7 days. This valley through Monday morning of next week. The better chance of getting wet up near the Tennessee Valley. Here we go. Model fans, the GFS. This is the 06Z run, valid today at noon. Troughing sweeping off the Atlantic coast. Again, we have a northwest flow aloft. The sky will be mostly sunny today with a high in the mid to upper 40s. That'll melt the remaining ice off the roads. Tomorrow, we stay above freezing early in the morning. We'll be in the mid-30s for most. The high, I'd say 57 to 60. And you can see a chance of rain just north and west of the state. And then on Wednesday, yes, we are going to mention the chance of a few showers, mainly for the Tennessee Valley of North Alabama. Just a small chance of a shower. Tuscaloosa, Birmingham, Anniston, Gadsden, the sky mostly cloudy and very mild. Upper 60s. That'll feel pretty good. Same thing on Thursday. A good chance we hit 70. In fact, the latest GFS is showing 72. Some clouds, but any showers should be few and far between over the northern third of the state. And it's the same thing Friday, the messy weather holding just north and west. You got a 1051 high over Minneapolis-St. Paul, ridging down here. It's the battle between the upper ridge and the cold air. And in that battle zone, you've got the rain and maybe some wintry stuff on the northern flank of that. But for most of the state, we're very mild and dry Friday with a high around 70. Saturday as the weekend begins, the GFS is printing 74. So last Saturday, we were slip-sliding on the interstates. This Saturday, we'll be in tank tops and flip-flops. Potential for some pretty messy weather out in West Texas and the Panhandle. With freezing rain and sleet, that just looks kind of nasty. We know that story. But again, at this moment, Saturday looking very mild with hardly any chance of rain. And really the same thing on Sunday. The high would be around 70, rain holding west of the state. And a week from today, troughing to the west, rain tries to creep in here. Let's go to the next day. This is Tuesday the 17th, and that seems to be the next decent chance of rain for the state as the ridge breaks down and rain increases. And this is the end of the forecast period. Wednesday of next week, troughing nearby, that rain sweeping on out. And the cold air sweeping on out. Yeah, look at those numbers. And this is off the European ensemble. This got us close to 70 Thursday through the weekend. But again, I would imagine some spots will indeed break that 70-degree mark. And I think we can all appreciate that after what we've been through in recent days. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream or on television, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.